we understand that the numbers of Wipro, 1480 crores, that is what they have delivered. 1480, that's right. So that is definitely below what the street was expecting at 1,720 crores.
The revenues on the consolidated basis expected to be 11,102 crores. So we'll wait for those numbers to come out. Can't make too much really out of what the standalone numbers look like. We'll of course wait for the IT services numbers to come out as well, and that'll be interesting. Okay, 1730 is what I hear my director tell me. So I'm guessing then there's a decent number really. I mean, slightly better than what, maybe marginally better. Actually, it's fairly flat, I must say. So pretty much in line with what the estimates were. 10 crores on a base of 1720 is pretty much nothing. So in line with estimates, and that would probably be a bit of relief, because mind you, yesterday in the trading session all round, the talk was that maybe Wipro will show a drop. Now, mind you, these are the Q4 reported PAT numbers. We'll wait for the revenues as well, because that was talked about that the revenues will come in marginally lower on a QOQ basis. I don't know whether that has happened or not.
They have come in lower. 9613 is what we understand the Q4 revenue has come in at. So it is lower as compared to what we were working with of a level of 11,102 crores.
That's very low. I mean, I don't know how the street will now take it. Mind you, the expectations were that they'll be flat, maybe up 0.5% QOQ. I'm guessing this would mean, well, this is quite a bit of a drop actually that has come in. Almost 8% if I'm not wrong. We'll wait for that number to come out as well, but this won't sit well. I don't know if the net profit numbers actually gone up by virtue of some extraordinary gains, maybe some forex element out here that would have come in, but 9613 is extremely disappointing on the revenue front from Wipro. This won't sit well with the street for sure. So okay, so I'm actually, so just to repeat what we were saying, that the expectations were that the revenues, yesterday's the talk was that the revenues will drop, and that has happened. EBIT number at 1713 crores, and I was just waiting for the EBIT numbers to, okay, so that is disappointing too. I'm guessing that on the margin front, on the EBIT margin front, Wipro would have disappointed. I don't think they've clocked in 18%. I'll still wait for Sunita, our analyst, to tell us what they have done on the EBIT front, but just a quick back of the envelope calculation suggests that they would not have done well on the EBIT front either. So these are not numbers that will sit well for sure. So Ami, a quick initial take, revenues at 9613, which is significantly lower than the 11,000 crore figure that people were talking about, and they're disappointed on the EBIT front as well.
I think definitely you're going to see some huge movements in the stock. I don't think anybody would have guessed that the numbers would come down to this level.